Hello and welcome to another bushy beard video. Well, today we'll be having a look at how to do a simple sprite graphics on the Ti99 using the classic 99 emulator. Right, the graphics for the Ti are coded using the hexadecimal chart in the instructions manual. Can you see that? First it shows you the binary code, which is similar to what the Spectrum uses, and next to it is the hexadecimal code. So say we wanted to design a simple man. What we'd do, then call char. Now call char is redefining a graphics character. In our case we'll call it 64, which is the asterisk. Now we'll put his head and his body in first, and if you look you can see the second set of blocks down, which is X code 1, and we need the 9th one as well, which is hex code 8. So it's 1-8 to start with, and that'll do his head. So we go 1-8, and let's do 1-8 again. And then, to do the rest of his body, this isn't going to be easy, is it? Doing it just like this. Usually I do use Magellan, which I'll be showing you in another video. The fourth one down is 3, and if you see there, C on the list. So 3C, and then we're going to do A5 twice. That's for the body and the arms. And then 2, 4, 2, 4. Right. So that is all you need to do to redefine a graphics character on the Ti. Okay, so call clear to clear the screen. 30. We'll say X equals 100, colon, Y equals 100. 40. Call sprite #1. That's to address sprite 1, comma 64, which is the character, comma 5, that's the colour I'm choosing, which is like a dark blue, comma X, comma Y. So it puts them at the XY pixel coordinates. And next I'll do a call key 0, comma K, comma S, if S equals 0, then 50. So that just waits for a key. Right, let's see if we've got this right. Well, it's not exactly the shape I were after, but you can see this is how you redefine your graphics characters. Now, say we wanted this twice as big. What we would do is you could put in line 5, call magnify, and in brackets 2. The Ti has 4 sets of magnification, and the screen seems a little blurry at the moment. I'm hoping that settles down somewhat. And run. So as you can see, it's magnified it twice. Now, we're defining just one graphics character with a 16-digit hexadecimal code. You can define a sprite to have 4 character cells, which would be a 64-digit hexadecimal code. Much more complex, but a much more detailed sprite, so it would be 16 by 16 pixels. We can get the sprites to move. If we get rid of line 50 we can have them moving in auto motion, or we can have them moving by pre-calculated numbers. So call key 0, k, s. And then line 60, y equals y plus 4. If y is greater than 250, then y equals 2, x equals x plus 8. Alright, so, and we put here, no, I've done this wrong, haven't I? So let's get rid of line 40, and we'll have line 70, call sprite #1, 64, 5, x, y, and then line 80, if s equals 0, then 50. So let's just clear the screen and do another list. We can resequence it as well, resequence 10, 10, and that resequences your list numbers into a more tidy format. I think this is going to work. Yeah. What it's doing is it's incrementing the y value by 4, and then it updates the sprite. And once it gets to the edge of the screen, it's meant to be getting a bit lower by 8 pixels, although it doesn't appear to be doing so. Maybe that's just me. Yeah, it's definitely getting lower. Right, so there you have it. That's how you make a sprite and move it across the screen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.